Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. If you want to change the wallpaper, first let's go to the home screen, so let's unlock our device. Now we need to press and hold our finger on an empty space somewhere in the home screen. We will trigger this menu. In the bottom left corner, choose wallpaper and style. Now over here we have change wallpapers, so let's go here. Now we have several categories like featured, we have gallery, so we can choose our photo from the gallery, have graphical, colors, and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to choose just a simple color, and let's say I'm gonna use this one. Now over here, of course, you have a choice if you want to apply it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. Now if you want to change it only for the lock screen, make sure that only lock screen is selected, so tap on home screen in order to unselect it. And then let's go next. Then we will see the preview, and we can press done in the top right corner over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.